Hey everyone, and welcome to the 16th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. In this video I will show you the property called transition. Okay, so transition is like a property which makes the user experience very good. Okay, it will make the user experience very great and it can like lift your website very up. Okay, so in this video we will see exactly how to use that property and what that property is. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So first of all, if you will take a look, we have a simple button here. Okay, a button tag, I have defined it, and it says submit. Okay, so nothing special here. So first of all, let me just like design a button. Okay, design some like increase the font size and other things. So if I will just increase the font size, let me just do 3 rem. I think that will be great. Now if I will just do position relative, from left I want 50 pixel and from top I want 50 pixel. So if I'll just save it, you can see our button is now looking something like this. Okay, so in previous video I have like tell you about the hover effect. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, do go check it out first, then only you will understand what is going on in this video. Okay, so let me just like change the background color. Okay, so let me just like do aqua. Alright, so if I'll just hover it, the background color changes to aqua. Okay, so I will do the same here. Okay, and let's say something like lime green. Okay, so from lime green it is changing to blue. Okay, so now, and also let's say on hover effect, let's do this something like dark. Okay, and also in hover effect the color of the text is also changing to white. Okay, so let's do that, and as you can see here, the text is also changing to white. Okay, so let's now explore the property transition. So you can see whenever I am taking my cursor over it, the hover effect is just like working immediately. Okay, the background color changing immediately and the color of the text is also changing like suddenly immediately. Okay, so it is not like looking good, it is not like satisfying. Okay, so that's why it is not user friendly. So to make it like more user friendly, we will be using transition. Okay, so to do that, you can write transition and you can see there are many properties here. So let's check out the first property called transition property. Okay, so this is where you can write on which element you want the transition property to work. So if I will write all, it means you want the transition property to background color also and simple like text color also. Okay, this color also. Alright, and not only that, you have to write two more properties. Okay, so then you have to write transition duration. Okay, you have to define what time it will take to change. Okay, so if I will write 0.5 seconds, and that's it, your transition is now complete. So now if you will take a look here, whenever I am hovering it, you can see it is not changing immediately. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, it is now more user friendly and more like beautiful looking. Okay, so let me just also do like give it a padding here. Okay, like let's say padding of 5 pixel, and let's do like border radius. Okay, let's do border radius 50 pixel. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, the border radius is also changing. Okay, so yeah, how like smooth it is looking. Okay, it is looking like satisfying. Okay, So if I'll just remove this transition property, and now you can see it is just immediate. Okay, it is not user friendly. So this is the transition property you can use to make your website even more beautiful and user friendly. One more transition property is that transition timing function. Okay, and the values for these are here. Okay, is in, is out, linear. Okay, so by default the timing function is is. Okay, so if I'll just save it, you can see nothing will happen. But if I will do linear, the timing duration, okay, which is 0.5 seconds, it will do the transition linearly. Okay, it will change the color and border radius linearly. Okay, so yeah, you can see here the duration is now linear. Okay, and whenever I will just comment it out, you can see the difference. Okay, it will just like very quick, but now it is linear. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here. Alright, one more property is there, which is transition delay. So if I'll just write 2 seconds here, and the delay is set to be 2 seconds. So whenever I am hovering it, after 2 seconds it will change. So as you can see here, after 2 seconds it's changed, and now whenever I will remove the cursor, then after 2 seconds it will get back to its original position. Okay, so you can give it like delay also. Okay, so now let's remove this delay from here, and or let me just show you a shortcut here. Okay, so instead of this 3 lines, you can only write 1 line. Okay, so let me just comment all this, and down here let me just do transition. Okay, so you have to write transition, then you have to write the property, so let's say all, then you have to define the duration, so let's say 0.5 seconds, then you have to write the timing function, so let's say linear. That's it, and your like transition will work fine. Okay, so as you can see here, it is just working fine. Okay, so this is how you can use transition property in your website to make it more user friendly and more smooth. Okay, and let me just show you one more like cool hover effect where you can use the transition property. So in this we have the top set to 50 pixel. Okay, so in the hover effect, if I'll just do this 50 to let's say 30, now if I'll just do this, so as you can see here, it is just going up. Okay, so it is just looking very smooth and very satisfying to watch. So yeah, the transition property is clear to you. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and now you can make your website even more beautiful looking. And yes guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.